Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing exceptionally good. And thank you for asking me. How about you? How have you been?
Yeah, yeah, I'm also very fine. Thank you for asking. And I'm very happy to see you because we are meeting first time. And I'm waiting to connect with you after a long time. But
Uh,
finally today, we are connected. And so I'm very happy because I'm following your videos and, salute to you, ma'am, because you are doing good job. And
oh my
more,
God.
in my
That
village
means a
also,
lot.
most of the learners, students are following your videos.
Okay, thank you so much. And that means a lot to me. I really appreciate you, the way you compliment. Thank you so much. And the way you encourage me. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah, ma'am. And
yeah, yeah.
ma'am, I know you. I know you very well. You are from UP, and you have, master degree in chemistry. You are earlier you was the teacher. Right now you are working, tuition work at your home. So please tell me something about your intro.
Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Because your all videos, ma'am, are fruitful to especially for English learning.
Yeah. Thank you so much. That my videos are fruitful for you and they are meaningful for you. So that I'm really glad that you liked my video and you watched my video. Okay, so
Yeah,
definitely
ma'am.
I would like to introduce myself. So as you already know so many things about you, but even though I want to tell you something that my name is Arshi, I hail from UP and now I am not working. Currently, as you already know, this year I am on a mission to refine my conversational skill. And these days I am having conversation every single day, and I am completely devoted for learning this language. And I also run a YouTube channel, and I have a bunch of hobbies. When it comes to my hobbies, like I love stitching, cooking, traveling, gardening, and talking with diverse background people and listening English content, reading and watching English content. Especially, I watch English content most of the time whenever I get leisure time because this language, gives me real pleasure and joy. I really enjoy, while learning this language. So that's why I'm completely devoted. And yeah, that's all from my side.
Okay, okay, that's great, ma'am. So now it is my turn. So giving my interview, first of all, thank you very much giving me this opportunity. And as you know, my name is Prem Singh Rawat. I'm connecting from Uttarakhand. My district is Pauri Garhwal and my development block is Naini Danda.
Mm.
Right now, I'm connecting with you from my born and brought up place. It's my village. My village is known Devaldar Androli. And by profession, I'm English teacher in private school at Janta Intermediate College, Androli. About my qualification, so I am postgraduate in English and B.Ed also. And about my positive personality traits, so I am very optimistic and soft spoken person. And if I talk about my negative, so I
Negative
can't
side.
bear any kind of indiscipline, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it from my side.
Okay, also that's great to know about you. And as you mentioned that you are soft and you are, I think you said something which I'm not
Yeah, yeah.
about
I'm
you.
soft spoken and optimistic person.
Yes, optimistic. So as I can see that you are really very optimistic person because the way you are encouraging to others, so it means that you are very positive person and you are very optimistic. Yeah, that's great to know because I think this quality I seen very very rare people. They have this quality. They encourage others people and they are soft spoken these days, we hardly get the people who speaks, soft, softly, and who
Yeah.
speak, very politely. We hardly get those people. But if you are, so it is a good quality in you. I really appreciate.
Uh, Thank you, ma'am, for this compliment. And yes, really, because we are human beings, so sorrows and happiness are the parts of our life. So we should have the ability to challenge every, accept the every challenge related to our life.
Yes, yes, I completely agree with you. And we should face the challenges. So that's how we would be able to learn something. That's how we would be able to grow in our life. And on the other
Yeah.
side, if we are not facing any challenges, and if we are not if we are not coming out to our comfort zone, so how we will be
Hmm.
grow and how we will be better in our life. So for that reason, we have to face and we have to step out of our comfort zone, and we have to make priority that I want to achieve, I want to accomplish this goal and this dream, and no matter what it takes, I just accomplish every goal in my life. We should be like that. We should be dedicated, and we should be disciplined, and we should be determined whatever we are doing.
Yes, yes, you are correct. I'm agree with your all points. We should have the ability of sacrifice our leisure time, passion, and curiosity, desire, interest. These are the matter to learn anything, ma'am. And you mentioned that we should out to out to in out from in comfort zone, out from comfort zone for learning anything. So the conclusion is that no pains, no gains.
Okay, yes, yes. Yes, right. It's true. I think it's 100% true that if you are not feeling pain, and you are not if you are not making yourself uncomfortable, so that means you are not going to get anything in your life. You are not going to achieve anything in your life, because you cannot achieve anything without sacrifice or without pain. If you really want to accomplish something, if you really want to fulfill your dream, so that you have to sacrifice and you have to feel the pain as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right, ma'am. So, ma'am, I want to know something from your side because you are famous YouTuber, and I'm also, yeah, following your videos. I'm getting lots of knowledge how to talk with the pupil, connect with the pupil, how we can interest to co-learners to learn this language. So please tell me something about your, YouTube journey and your English journey. How did you improve your English and why you are interested to learn it? Yeah, no doubt. Earlier you was the teacher. Right now you are also teacher because you are a postgraduate in chemistry. So please tell me something. The answer of the two, three, four, five questions.
Okay, okay, well, yeah, I would like, I would really love to share my journey and my English journey and simultaneously my YouTube journey. So, well, if I talk about my YouTube journey, so I have started my YouTube journey when at the exact time when I have started my English journey. Particularly,
Hmm.
I'm talking about when I have started my spoken, my speaking practice on video call. So at the same time, I
Hmm.
have started my YouTube journey. At that time, I think, as far as I'm concerned, that it's been a year. I think it is about 2 years that I have been having conversations on video call. But in the meantime, in the between of this year, I was not consistent, and I didn't take any session, or I didn't have any conversation 3 and 4 months. Then I can say that I was not consistent at that time. But after that, I am very consistent. So my journey, my English journey and my YouTube journey has started at the same time. And in this, in a 1 year, I have improved a lot. My English has transformed, completely. And
Hmm.
I have in a year, literally, I'm telling you that I have seen a drastic and tremendous change in my speaking. Because initially, if I talk about my initial days when I just started this English speaking journey, so I was pathetic at speaking, and I was pathetic at communication, and I didn't know how to speak, how to utter even a single sentence in this language. So I was like that,
Hmm.
and I hardly, at that time, I hardly spoke three and four sentences. I think in a week, I was just learning that how to say, how are you? And how to ask question and how to respond. I was just learning everything. And when it comes to speak, so that time I felt, my mind goes blank and I have nothing to share. And I also, yeah, it is obvious, and that at that time I didn't have courage to speak in this language. Somehow I gathered a little bit courage that no, if I want to be fluent in this language, not fluent, still if I want to survive and if I want to speak this language, so I cannot speak this language without speaking. So I have to speak
Hmm.
no matter how many mistakes I am committing, I am making. The first and
Hmm.
foremost thing is speaking. And I was, at that time I was trying to run away from speaking, but then later on, I realized no, speaking is the imperative part of this language, and no matter how much reading I am doing, how much watching, and how much I am listening, it doesn't matter if you are not speaking. So everything is going in vain. So then I
Hmm.
made up
Correct.
my mind, and then I took a decision that no matter what, I will speak. So then gradually and slowly I started to speak, and I kept speaking, and I kept going, and I strive so hard to be consistent, because consistency is something that it is a really a daunting task when it comes to maintain consistency. It is easy to break, but it is hard to maintain. So that's what I felt at that time, and that's when I realized that no, if I will keep breaking my consistency, so I think I'm not gonna to achieve result, and I'm not gonna to progress. I'm not gonna to see, I'm not gonna see progress in this language. And then I started to be consistent on this language. So since then I am very consistent on my journey and on my YouTube journey as well. Yeah, that's how I improved. That's how I started my journey, both journey at the same time.
Okay, okay, that's great, ma'am. And really, you are, a good YouTuber. And already I mentioned that your all videos are beneficial for new learners and who want to improve their English. Okay. And other thing is that, if I talk my English journey, so, I'm English teacher, so English is mandatory for me, and practice is also mandatory for me. So already mentioned that consistency is very important. That's why I'm consistent to learn this language. And yes, I'm English teacher, but in front of you, I'm not English teacher. In front of you, I'm a learner. You can say I'm
I'm
a
also a
student because,
learner. Don't worry, I'm also a learner. Yeah, still I am on learning process. I didn't achieve. I think I didn't achieve even more than 40%. I just
yeah,
achieved
yeah, correct, correct.
40% English. So yeah, I'm still a learner. So don't
Yes,
feel.
correct. And
Yeah.
if I talk this language, so I'm from Uttarakhand. My native language is Hindi. You are from UP, Hindi. Other languages are spoken there. Our mother tongue in our blood. English is second language for us. It is
Yes.
mandatory for me as English teacher. It is mandatory because it is global language. That's why it is necessary to do practice every day. Totally, I depend on the artificial atmosphere. I'm from Blaze area. You can see this area is
I
surrounded with
can see the
mountains and forest.
beauty. I can see the beauty. Yeah. Because
Yeah,
Uttarakhand is something, it's really, it's really
yeah, I
captivating
know,
me
ma'am.
more. And recently
Yeah,
I
I
have
know, I
visited.
know.
Hmm.
Yeah, I know about you are, visiting because you mentioned in many videos you visited in many part of Uttarakhand, like I think Rishikesh and Nainital. I think something in
Yeah.
hilly regions have you been? I think so. English surrounding is not available here, but it depends on the person mentality. If we have desire, interest, curiosity, ability of sacrifice of leisure time, so we can do anything. And in present time we are living in science era, we have mobile phone, and
Yes,
we can use
everything.
different type of, yeah, everything, different types of applications and YouTube channels. Famous YouTubers are available English with the, you can say first one is confident, your YouTube channel name are right. And second thing is that English with Ram sir from Tamil Nadu, Sunita Rawat ma'am from
She's from
Uttarakhand. I
also
think you did
Uttarakhand.
conversation with
Yeah.
her. Yeah, you did conversation, Sunita Rawat ma'am
Try to
from
time
district Kamoli.
Rajni Verma. There are lot,
Yeah,
in YouTube channel, and they are really doing a great job, and I really appreciate their hard work and their consistency, and and they are
yeah,
providing
yeah,
good content. They are providing a very meaningful or valuable content, so that's how we are able to learn from them. And then we are also thinking to start our journey. That's how we also thought to start our journey, because of those YouTubers. Really, they are playing a significant role in our speaking or in this language. I really appreciate
mm,
each and everyone, whoever are
yeah,
doing
yeah.
this.
And earlier, I started my English journey, by the help of Hybro application created by Arif sir. Arif Auto, his YouTube channel name is Arif Auto. He belongs to Gujarat, Surat. So earlier he was the student, he was the student of class 10th. At that time, he left his education due to financial issues, and then he started to, drive the auto for earning the money, maintain his, economical condition, finance. Okay, so
Financial
due to his,
condition.
yeah, due to financial issues, he didn't continue. So after connecting with the foreigners and pupil in the society during his journey, so he got interest to learn this language, and then he created Arif, sorry, Hybro application,
Okay.
right? And I did conversation with Arif sir. So I got lots of confidence. I reduced my hesitation because it, we can get confidence, we can reduce our agitation by the practice and consistency.
Yes, I think, and this is something that if you are consistent and if you are practicing every single day, so I'm pretty
Hmm.
sure you will achieve each and everything, whatever you are dreaming right now, whatever the goals and the dreams you have, you can achieve.
Hmm.
It's not a rocket science. We are human and we have created everything, whatever we have right now, so we
Hmm.
can achieve
Yeah.
anything, but we should be very dedicated. We should be very hunger. And
Hmm.
also there is also one thing that I would like to mention, that whatever we are doing, so we just try to enjoy the process,
Hmm. Yeah.
and we should be very patient. When we do something different, and when we do something unique, so that time we just want to get result, and we just want to see progress in no time, like in 1 month or in 2 months and in 3 months. But I think sometimes
Hmm.
we are forgetting that if we are doing something different, so obviously it is going to take time, and it is going to take patience, and it is going to take consistency in practice, and then we would be able to achieve. But there are a lot of people that I have seen in my life who they are not patient, and they are not consistent, and they are not also they are not practicing every single day, but they want the result instantly. So I
Hmm.
think it is not going to happen. You are in delusional that if you
Hmm.
are not consistent, if you are not putting your 100%, and if you are not, if you're not serious, whatever you are doing, so
Hmm.
how it, how you can supposed to get the result, you know? So that's why just focus on process and just focus on yourself, just focus on practice, and I'm pretty sure that after some time you will definitely get the result. And I'm telling from my experience because it happened with me. That initial 3 and 4 months I didn't get result, and at that time I was, I was in dilemma. Should I leave this journey or should I continue this journey? Because somewhere I was stuck, I was perplexed because I was not getting result. And when you don't get
Hmm.
results, so these sort of thoughts, always runs in your mind that am I just wasting my time because I'm not getting result. But I think at that time we have to remind ourselves that why we have started. We have to remind ourselves why we want to learn
Hmm.
thing. So then I
Hmm.
think
Yeah.
that's how you can motivate yourself and you can move forward, and you
Hmm.
can
Correct.
feel maybe little bit relaxed.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. Because, uh, practice English is similar. Suppose we want to learn swimming, right? So we will learn it practically, not theoretically.
Yes.
So same like that, English is speaking as a practical issue. And I studied English as a subject during my college time, school time. But as a subject and as a language, it is too much difference.
Yeah, there is huge difference to study as a
Hmm.
subject and to study as a language. When we do study, so that time we don't focus on speaking. We just focus to pass the exam, and we
Hmm.
just focus to get the result. In this language to learn grammar part and to make to frame the sentence structures. So we at that time we were too much focused on that, but when it comes to learn as a language, so that time we are focused on speaking and listening and watching. So I think there is a
Hmm.
huge difference between them.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. So, ma'am, I'm from Uttarakhand, and you visited already in some part of Uttarakhand. So, please share your experience related to the natural beauty and nature, and about your journey experience.
Yeah. Okay, so if I talk about my experience while visiting Uttarakhand, so it was wonderful, and I
Hmm.
really enjoy a lot. And and the beauty of Uttarakhand is really mesmerizing, and the nature is amazing. And I feel, when I was visiting the Uttarakhand, so I was feeling relaxed, and I was just trying to capture each and every moment, and I was just trying to enjoy each and everything. So that was a
Hmm.
wonderful, that was a wonderful experience for me. And in future, if I will get a chance, so obviously I would like to visit again. This is
Okay, okay. You are most welcome, ma'am, to visit my state, and
Thank you so much.
thank you very much, because you compliment related to my state and natural beauty. And I'm from village area, so every time we are 24 hours we are connected with the nature.
Yes, yes, you have great opportunity. But I'm from UP, so I don't have this kind of opportunity to connect with nature all the time. So I think you
Yeah, yeah,
have
yeah.
great opportunity to connect. You can connect. You can.
Because it is my born and brought up place. It is my ancestral land. Yeah, so it is good for me, because every time we are getting fresh water, fresh air, open place, no crowd, no traffic, no pollution.
Yes, 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 and that is great. That is
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so ma'am, we have short time, so now at the last through your YouTube channel, any suggestion, tricks, and tips to learn this language to enhance communication skill in this language? Any suggestions for new learners, new viewers?
Okay, so if I talk about suggestions, so I would really like to say one thing, that most of the people are afraid of speaking. Where if there is some, there are so many people, they just want to start their journey, but
Hmm.
there is a hindrance that they don't want to fear, they don't want to face fear of speaking, because they fear of being judged, they fear of mocking fun, they fear that people will laugh at me when I will open, when the moment I will open the mouth. But I would like to say, don't focus and don't think others, what they will think about you, and what they will say about you. If you want to improve, just take an initiative, because without taking an initiative, you cannot learn this language. So no, it doesn't matter that how many mistakes you are going to commit and you are going to make. Just start wherever you are, and just if you want to start, just start, and don't wait for the perfect moment, and don't wait for perfect English, that once I will perfect in this language, then I will try to speak, then I will speak in this language. Don't wait for that moment, just try, and just speak whatever you can, because the speaking is something, it gives you confidence, it will give you confidence, and it will give you courage, and that's how you will be able to express your thought. Without speaking, you cannot speak, so just speak. There is no shortcut.
Yes, yes.
There is no shortcut. There is nothing that you can learn this language without speaking. So don't wait for the perfect
Mm,
moment or perfect grammar or perfect English. Just speak whatever
yes.
you have, just speak. If you feel that I have a basic, level, so just try to speak those people who has the same level, because there are so many platform where you can search the same level people. Because initial, in the beginning, we really afraid of speaking, the advanced speaker or intermediate speaker, and so that time just try to speak with the same level of people, so then you will feel comfortable, because they don't correct you maybe, and they don't say anything, because they also know that I have the same level, and she or he has the same level. So you can make an engaging conversation with them, you can talk with them very comfortably. So I just would like to say these things.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. And the conclusion is that you don't worry about your mistakes. And
Yeah.
other thing is that,
Yes.
yeah, practice makes everyone perfect. And
Yes. And
the
everyone is
other thing
start
is
from
that,
scratch. Hmm.
yeah, and other thing is that listening, LSRW, listening,
Yeah.
speaking, reading, writing, these are the matters to learn anything. And if I talk the grammar, so grammar is as a tool. And the second thing is that there is no education qualification is required to learn this language,
Yes.
because it is language. It will take time, and it is not easy. English learning is not easy. You can say, piece of cake,
Not piece
right?
of cake, and
You
it's
can,
not walk in the park. Yeah, but at the same time, it is not a rocket science. It's not a tough nut
mm,
to crack. If anyone wants to learn, he can. So it's not
yeah.
like that we cannot learn this language. You are from village, I am also from, and if we are learning this language, and if we are able to speak in this language, so why you are not? You can do.
Correct. Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. But it depends on our practice, our interest, our
Our
dedication,
dedication.
and ability of sacrifice of our leisure time,
Yes.
curiosity,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
discipline also.
Yes, absolutely. So,
Okay, okay. So, ma'am,
mhm.
my last question, you are chemistry teacher, and you are good speaker. So I'm also teacher, English teacher.
Hmm.
And after uploading this video, I will forward this video in my students WhatsApp group to create English surrounding for them, to recommend your YouTube channels. Also my students also watching your videos. I recommend them to your YouTube channel and English with Ramsa, Sunita ma'am. My students are following videos, this type of videos. They are interested to learn English, and I'm creating
Good to
English
know.
surrounding for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So from your side, ma'am, any suggestion, especially for my students, how they can improve their English?
Okay, well, as I said that if you want to learn this language, so first you have to make the priority of learning this language. So if you
Hmm.
have a priority, so automatically you will be able to, take some out from your schedule because as I can feel that when we are a student, so that time we are occupied with so many things, we hardly get leisure time, we hardly get free time. So then we can learn this language. But if you make the priority of this language, so obviously you will be able to take out some time. And if you are learning this language along with your studies, so it is great because I have learned this language after completing my overall education. So it is great that
Hmm.
you have taken initiative. It is wonderful, but just keep going and try to listen a lot English content as much as you can, and just try to speak English, and
Okay.
then you would be able to improve your English.
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you very much, ma'am. I think it is lengthy conversation,
Hmm.
and really it was the nice conversation with you. I got lots of things from your side, and you are energetic, and I salute to you again because you are
Thank you
doing hard
so
work.
thank
You
you
are
so much.
noble.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
yeah. Okay.
you. That really means a lot to me, and you really made my day. Yeah, thank you. And I really hope that we will connect again. Okay, bye bye.